Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate marble pumpkin pie. It's an interesting way to add chocolates to a pumpkin pie. I wasn't so sure about combining chocolate and pumpkin together, but they're actually really good together. So if you like chocolate desserts and pumpkin desserts like me, why not combine the two? Let's get started. First, you're going to need a pie crust. This is a pie crust recipe I just recently posted. It is the flakiest pie crust recipe. I'll link to this video in the description box. I'll also link to a couple more pie crust recipes in the description box as well. Keep the crust in the fridge until you're ready to add the filling to it. If you would like to know how to prevent a soggy pie crust, make sure to check out my video showing how to prevent and fix an underbaked or soggy pie crust. I'll link to that video in the description box. In this case, I'm using the hot sheet pan method. Once your crust is ready, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. In a small heat-proof bowl, add in the dark chocolate and heat it in the microwave or over a double boiler until it's melted. If you're using the microwave, take it out every 15 to 30 seconds and stir it well so it heats evenly. If you don't stir it between bursts in the microwave, it's going to burn in one spot. Once it's all melted, set it aside to cool. Then in a large mixing bowl, add in the eggs and sugar, and whisk them until well combined. Then add in the cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and salt, and whisk them in until combined. Then add in the canned pumpkin puree. Make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix. And the dairy of your choice. You can use whole milk, evaporated milk, heavy cream, or I'm using half and half. And whisk them in until combined. Measure out 1 cup of the mixture. Add a small amount into the cooled melted chocolate. Stir until combined. Add a little more. Stir until combined. And add in the rest. And stir until combined. Pour the plain pumpkin filling into the prepared pie crust. Add spoonfuls of the chocolate pumpkin pie filling on top of it. And use a butter knife or a skewer to make a marble design. Try not to overdo it or it will mess up the marble effect. And bake it in the oven for 45 to 55 minutes until it's mostly set but still slightly jiggly in the center. Try not to overbake it. This is what you want when you shake the pan. It should be mostly set and only slightly jiggly in the center. If it still looks liquidy in the center, it needs more time. So when it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool. And it's best served cold or at room temperature. So when it's completely cooled and you're ready to serve, just cut out a slice and serve. And that's how to make a chocolate marble pumpkin pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.